have the rabbit box as well as the birthday box, but there will be more coming soon. Of course, you can always omit the panel and put on your own embellishments, which would be super cute. Each box consists of 2 main bodies, and this could have been put together as one, but with the 2, you are able to use 8.5 by 11 sheets of paper, which makes it very economical for birthday treats or holiday treats or whatever you want to put in there. So in your file, you will see the 2 main pieces as well as the covering panels and the decorative panels. So the first thing you're going to want to do is apply them as shown, and then go ahead and fold these back, which I have already done on camera. Just fold it back like this, and then this handle goes folded towards you. Okay, fold it back, fold it back. We've got it all ready here. And this one the same, handle towards you. Now on this one you'll see this little odd piece, and this piece will go towards you like that. Okay, so you are going to want to fold it like this. Can you see that? How it's just kind of a little hook there. So you fold it down and then the little piece back up again. All right. So let's put these together. I would use a glue that you're familiar with, but something that will hold so that you'll be able to put anything in the box that you won't have to worry about it falling apart. Okay, so we're going to put that just like that. Make sure it's nice and secure. All right, now we're going to close it back up. So we're going to do the same on this side. Go ahead, flip the box over. We're going to add some glue here. Oops. Okay, make sure the score lines meet and are attached at the end. You can lay it down to get some pressure on it. Make sure it's nice and tight. There we go. Okay, now here's your front of the box. So you're going to fold the side tabs in, the tab that does not have the covering panel, and we're going to put some glue on there. Okay, square it up and fold that over, and it'll make a nice square. All right, I'm going to set it down and apply my hand to the inside to get some pressure so it'll hold down in there. All right, now is the easy part. We're going to fold our handles inward. Now you can glue them right like this so they don't move around, but I think it's nicer to keep them unglued so that the box can be reused. See how they meet right there? And I'm going to fold this down. It's going to be snug. That's fine. That's what it's supposed to be, so it doesn't open by itself. And then you're going to tuck this tab in just like that, and you're going to see that right there on the score line there's an opening, and that is for this to tuck in. Snug. It makes a nice box, won't come open. It can be opened and reused, which is great. I love the fact that it can be used. So there you go. It's that easy. Thanks for joining me today. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much. Have a great day.